Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google or using your browser's address bar. This saves one extra step. Type a short, specific query. Fewer words give cleaner results. If you need exact wording, put it in quotes. To remove irrelevant items, add a minus sign before a word. To search a single site, add site example. Com. Once done, scan the top 3 results. These usually answer basic needs. This focused start reduces noise and speeds retrieval of the right page. Now you refine results using operators and tools. This is where precision matters. Use file type, PDF when you want reports, or in title when the topic should appear in titles. Click Tools to filter by time, handy for recent data, or switch to images or news for different formats. Combine operators for example site, edu file type, PDF to find academic PDFs on a topic. Make sure to adjust terms after each search. Small tweaks tighten results. Finish by opening the top 2 or 3 results in new tabs. Compare their introductions to confirm accuracy. If a link is unavailable, use Google's cached version or try related to find similar pages. When outcomes stay weak, loosen constraints, drop a site, or remove a quoted phrase and rerun the search. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, clear the query to its core keywords and rebuild with one operator at a time. This isolates the problem and restores useful results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.